It can be overwhelming to know that you have lead residue in your home. So now what?
Don't worry, it's simple to reduce the risk of lead exposure to your family by keeping your home clean.
Let's start with wet cleaning. You'll need gloves, 2 plastic buckets, trash bags, rags or paper towels, mop with washable mop head or disposable mop, all-purpose cleaner, disinfectant wipes. Start on the highest level of your home and work your way down. Be sure and remove or cover personal items and furniture that you won't be cleaning. Prepare 2 buckets, one with cleaning solution and water, and the other with clean, warm water that you'll use to rinse the cleaning solution off surfaces. Use a rag that you've soaked in cleaning solution and wash each surface. You'll want to clean windowsills, baseboards, floors, really any surface that you can clean should be clean. Carefully clean off the areas you washed with a rag dunked in the warm, clean water. Each time you move to a new room, you'll want to dump the dirty water in the toilet and rinse and refill both buckets. Don't forget to wash toys, bedding, curtains, and cushion covers frequently too. And always wash your hands and face after cleaning.
Lead exposure is real, but using these methods can keep your family safe from the harmful effects of lead.
Learn more at health.mo.gov/lead.